Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix Stripe payment not showing on Shopify. If you are having trouble with your Stripe payment method not displaying on your Shopify store, this guide will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, ensure that you have correctly installed and configured the Stripe payment gateway on your Shopify store. To do this, go to the Settings section of your Shopify admin panel and click on Payment Providers. Check if Stripe is listed as one of your payment providers and if it is enabled. Next, verify that your Stripe account is connected to your Shopify store. To connect your Stripe account, click on the Manage button next to Stripe and follow the prompts to enter your Stripe account details. Make sure that your Stripe account is active and that you have agreed to the terms of service. Another common issue that can cause Stripe payment not to show on Shopify is incorrect API keys. To check your API keys, log into your Stripe dashboard and go to the Developers section. Click on API keys and check if your publishable key and secret key are correct. Then, go back to your Shopify admin panel and ensure that these keys are correctly entered in the Stripe payment provider settings. Additionally, check your store's currency and region settings to ensure that they are compatible with Stripe. Stripe only supports certain currencies and regions. So if your store's currency or region is not supported, the payment method will not display. If you have checked all of the above and the issue persists, try reinstalling the Stripe payment gateway or contacting Shopify support for further assistance. It is also a good idea to check the Stripe status page for any outages or maintenance that may be affecting your store. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Stripe payment not showing on your Shopify store. Remember to always keep your payment gateway and API keys up to date to avoid any issues with your online store.